On this episode of Community Connections, we're visiting with the expert collision repair professionals from Complete Collision Center to find out what makes them the best in the biz. Hello everyone, I'm Kelly Hoey with First Community National Bank, and joining me is Jimmy and Casey Smith, owners of Complete Collision Center. Welcome.
Thank you.
Jimmy, you have an expansive history in the collision repair industry. Tell us how you got started and how Complete Collision Center began.
So I got started as a student at Lynn Tech College. Graduated from the program there in 1993. Started as a technician in a local dealership in Rolla as the detail person that cleaned up the cars after the repair.
So you started from the very beginning, the basics.
Very beginning.
Gotcha.
Worked my way up through the shop in every technician position and was very successful at that. Wanted more of a challenge, so I took on the management role. I wanted to service customers based on my view of how they should be serviced in the industry, and the only way for me to do that was to be the owner of the shop. And so that's how we got to this point as owners.
Great. So with two locations, one in St. James and one in St. Roberts, how do you serve customers at both locations?
So I can't be in two places at once. So because we have great processes in place and people that are good at following those processes, the customers at both facilities are serviced the same.
Okay. How many technicians and staff members do you employ?
Including ourselves, there are 22.
So I can't help but look around and be amazed with everything I see here in your facility. Tell us about your state-of-the-art facilities and the services you provide.
So our state-of-the-art facility comes equipped with a downdraft paint booth and a lot of electronic devices on the vehicles that we work on today. It requires a lot of computer access. We have electronic resistance welder that puts a weld back precisely to the OEM specifications. We have an electronic frame measuring system that puts the vehicles back to the OEM specifications. The list goes on and on.
Oh wow, that's amazing. So if a customer would need your service, what is the process of repairing the vehicle?
So the first thing that they need to do is contact us. They can do that by calling or coming in. From that point, we'll get their information, write their estimate, get a hold of their insurance company. We'll set up their rental. We'll do everything that we need to do. From the time that they walk in our door, we want to relieve them of all the stress that comes with needing repairs.
That's amazing. So when a customer is needing repairs, what insurance companies do you guys work with?
We work with all insurance companies, and we've built relationships with all the insurance companies to make things easier for the customer. So, you know, there's not necessarily one insurance company in particular. We've worked to achieve a good relationship with all of them for servicing that customer the best.
It really does sound like you try to accommodate your customers from start to finish and in every aspect of the repair process. Your relationship with FCNB began in 2020. As a new customer, how has your overall experience and relationship been?
It's gone really well. They're always a phone call or an email away. If I have any issues, anything like that, I can call and I know that they're going to pick up and answer. I can access through my app, I can access online, so far it's been really good.
Well, great, we love to hear that. If interested in your services, how can people reach you guys?
They can reach us on the internet. We have, if you look us up on Google, you can actually get online estimates through that, just the photo estimates if you don't want to leave your home. You can call us at either location. We have one in St. Robert and one in St. James, or email.
And what is your website?
It's www.completecollisioncenter.com.
And so if those people do want to call you, how can we reach you? What are your numbers?
So our number for St. Robert is 573-451-3042. Number for St. James is 573-265-7884.
Jimmy and Casey, thank you guys so much for sharing your story with us on Community Connections.
Thank you.